Hello friends, as we discussed in last video, most important point metamerism and next one is what? Tautomerism. In tautomerism, bear in mind most important questions. Okay, they are going to ask you questions what in NEET and JEE examination as well as what CET also. Okay. In tautomerism, the most important point is what? The alpha hydrogen is the most important. There is a shifting of alpha hydrogen. If there is no alpha hydrogen, no tautomerism. If there is a alpha hydrogen is there, 100% tautomerism takes place. Okay, you have to make it a practice, that is most important. Okay. Next, today in this class we are going to discuss the continue part, that is called what? Fundamental concept of what? Organic reaction mechanism. In this case, what some of the concept are there? Okay, these concept are very simple concept, basic concept. In organic reaction, every organic reaction involve breaking and formation of bonds, that is indicate what? Organic chemistry. There is a formation of what? Bond, otherwise there is a breaking of bond takes place. Okay, then only mechanism takes place. Okay, that is why in this case what most important in organic reactions having what? Bond breaking, bond formation takes place. Okay. Next, in this case covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond is there. Covalent bond cleavage takes place in two ways. Covalent bond, one is what? Ionic bond. Ionic bond is there, in that case we are going to get a what? Positive and a negative charge, but covalent is not like that. Okay, in this case what happened in covalent? There is shifting of completely electron pair. In this case what happens? The electron pair is going to shift completely. Okay, that is indicate what? Covalent bond. But in ionic bond not like that, there is shifting of what? Electrons equally, that is indicate what? Ionic bond. In ionic bond we are going to get a positive and negative charge, but in covalent bond we are not going to get like that. Okay, this covalent bond cleavage takes place in two ways. One is what? Homolysis, another one is what? Heterolysis. Just here HOMO, this homo means indicate what? Same, this hetero means indicate what? Different. Okay, that is why in this case what? Homolysis means what? There is a same cleavage takes place or breaking takes place. Okay, just here homolysis definition: the bond breaks symmetrically, important point, the bond breaks symmetrically and hence each species formed gets an odd electron. Means very simple is there, if bond breaks symmetrically, automatically there is a formation of what? Odd electron. Okay, that is what most important, there is a formation of what? Odd electron. These species are called what? Free radical. If there is a formation of odd electron, that is indicate what? Free radical. Okay. Next definition, what is free radical? If they are going to ask you homolysis, you have to write this very simple definition. Means in this case the bond breaks symmetrically, there is a formation of odd number of an electron, that is called homolysis. There is odd number of electron formation, that species are called what? Free radical. Okay. Just here next definition is what? Free radical. This definition is important, sometimes they are going to ask you in examination what is free radical. Okay, just here the reactive intermediate, important point is what? The reactive intermediate containing an odd electrons. The homolysis, this process means what? There is a formation of odd electron, this process is called homolysis. There is a formation of species are there, no, that species are called what? Free radical. Okay, the reactive intermediates containing an odd electrons are called free radical. Just here one example is there, this example is what? Cl2. Okay, chlorine molecule. Okay, this Cl2 I am going to write like this, Cl single bond Cl. In this case just here one electron is there, here one electron is there. Okay, these two electron combined, that is indicate what? Bond, that is indicate what? Bond. If bond is there, just here this is bond, means here one electron is there, here one electron is there, totally this one is indicate what? Bond. Okay, that is why in this case here one electron, here one electron, these electrons are what? In this case extra electron, because outermost electrons in this case what? 7 are there. Okay, 7 are there, means what? You have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is the 7th one is there. Okay, it may be 6 or we do not know exactly, okay, which electron is involved. Okay, there is difficult concept. Okay, that is why in this case here one electron, here one electron, there is a formation of what? Bond. In the presence of heat is there, heat, or sometime they are going to use the HNU. HNU is indicate what? Light. Light means what? Generally ultraviolet light. Okay, that is why in this case important HNU is there, this is delta is there. If HNU or a delta is there, 100% this process is indicate what? Homolysis. This process is indicate what? Homolysis. 100% there is a formation of free radical, that is fixed. Okay, bear in mind important, heat or HNU is there, 100% there is a formation of free radical. Formation product like this. Okay, just here In this case what happened, here one electron is there, here one electron is there, one electron go towards one chlorine, another electron go towards what, another chlorine. This arrow mark is there, no, this arrow mark, this is fish hook arrow mark, means in this case just here like this. Okay, if you are going to get like this is indicate what, fish hook arrow mark, means what, only single electron can move, that is indicate what, fish hook arrow mark, means what you are going to fish, okay, hook arrow mark, you have to write, no problem. Okay, just here is there Cl free radical, next one is what, Cl free radical. These two are indicate what, free radicals. Here only one free radical is there, no, that is indicate what, that is odd or even. If two are there, that is called what, even, but in this case what, odd. The reactive intermediate containing an odd electrons are called free radical. Okay, that is why this is important, free radical. These two are indicate free radical. Here one is there, no, just you have to write the free radicals. Here bond is there, 2 electron. In this case also what, shifting takes place like this. Okay, this one is indicate what, fish hook arrow mark. There is a formation of product is what, CS3 free radical plus what, Cl free radical. These two are indicate what, free radical. Okay, that is why this is the most important. Where there is a formation of odd number of an electron, that is indicate what, free radical formation. Just here, all free radicals are electrically neutral. All free radicals are indicate what, electrically. All free radicals are indicate what, electrically neutral. Electrically means there is no charge. There is no charge means what, there is no positive charge, there is no negative charge. That is indicate what, electrically neutral in nature. Next one is what, the free radical stability, next one is what, reactivity. Okay, just see here stability. Stability means what, that is very simple, just I am going to write the stability. You know very well about that, primary, secondary, tertiary is there. Okay, in this case if we are going to study about the stability of free radical means what, tertiary is a more stable. Tertiary is a more stable. Just see here, I am going to consider tertiary. Next one is what, if you want you can write heading. Okay, after that what, CS3 like this. Okay, CS3 free radical. Just here in this case what, this is the order of what, stability. Order of stability. Order of what, stability for what, free radical. For free radical. Stability order for free radical. Okay, you have to write heading, stability order for what, free radical. In this case what, tertiary is a more stable. The next question, why tertiary is a more stable? Okay, why tertiary is a more stable? Because very simple, due to hyperconjugation effect. Due to what, hyperconjugation effect. Very simple, hyperconjugation effect. Hyperconjugation effect. In this case totally 9 hyperconjugation effect are possible. That is why this is the what, stability of stability order for what, free radical. Next one is what, reactivity order. The reactivity is different. This is a more stable means what, less reactive. Okay, that is why the order is very simple. CS3 is more reactive than primary, then secondary, then what, tertiary. This is the what, reactivity order for what, stability. Reactivity order for what, free radical. This is a stability for what, free radical. Stability is different, reactivity is different. More stable, less reactive. Okay, less reactive, that is called what, if less reactive, that is to indicate what, more stable. These two are what, opposite in direction. Okay, this is indicate what, homolysis, and next one is what, free radical mechanism is there. Okay, next thing is what, that is a heterolysis is there. Hetero means what, a different. Hetero means what, different. There is a cleavage takes place, means what, the 2 electrons is going to shift in a only one atom. That is indicate what, a heterolysis. That point we will study later. Okay friends, thank you.